Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to create viral shorts video using AI. So if you want to grow your YouTube channel, AI shorts video, also if you want to grow your TikTok or Reels account, that's mean Instagram, Facebook account, so this video for you. So I will show you step-by-step tutorials how you can find the topic, that means the niche you want to create, how you can find the keyword, and I will show you the how you can create the videos and how you can upload. It will be your last tutorials, so you don't need to spend many times to watch more tutorials how you can find the keywords, and I will show you the hidden tricks how you can find your niches shorts video content. Okay, that's mean the ideas. This is my YouTube channel and let's check the short section. I just recently uploaded videos and here you can see I got pretty much views like 406 views, 86, 401 views, 351 views, 443 views. Alright, so let's get started. So if you are new in this channel, so I am Raihan, a freelancer and content creator. I make videos how you can make money online, how you can start freelancing journey, how you can start your YouTube, and different kind of AI tools, tips and tricks. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notification. So first of all, step number 1, find your niche. That's mean what kind of videos do you want to produce or create. So what's your specialty, what's your skills? So if you have any skills, you can create those kind of videos. The step number 2, create a good YouTube channel, like add some profile picture and banner. Also don't forget to add like about section, links. That's mean the basic things, primary things, so you can do it easily, no problem. As step number 3, make videos on that, and when you uploaded different kind of videos, so you will see analytics. Okay, and step number 4, analyze your analytics and find the keyword. And step number 5, just create the account, the AI tools that's gonna we use to produce our shorts video, so I will show you later. And step number 6, just create the video and upload to your YouTube channel. Alright guys, so this is my channel analytics. So you will get your channel analytics and you will say inspiration. So click on inspiration and that will appear get ideas for your next video, and under that you will see make a short. So those are the ideas we can produce this kind of videos. That's mean it's YouTube suggested. So click on show all. So YouTube is the second largest search engine, so you don't need to externally search like how we can find the shorts video. So when you get your YouTube videos views, inspiration section, and you will see the shorts video ideas. So YouTube recommended me to create this kind of shorts video, and those are the titles and the topics. I hope you can clearly understand this. So don't forget to check your analytics, inspiration, and whatever your niche, and you will see make a short video section. So this is amazing guys, because if you create this kind of videos on that topic, so you will get views. Definitely you will get views. So how I create my shorts video, I will show you that. So let's copy the short ideas and go back to vid.io. So in this tutorial we'll be using vid.io is a AI tools. You can create a text to video and shorts video, definitely long video. So if you are new here, just sign up with your Gmail account and just create your account and just use these tools. Okay, so click on create project and then click on start with AI, and you will see a pop-up start with AI and make a video about. That's mean you have to paste it here, our title or video topic, that's it, and just click on generate video. vid.io will help us to preparing this video like write scripting, recording voiceover, background music or stock media. And so don't use background music, so I will just delete the background music and upload onto YouTube, so no problem after all. So I will show you, so there is no copyright strike over there. Alright guys, so our video is ready, and this is the bottom section and this is the music. Okay, so I'm going to press delete. Alright, so this is the subtitle, text to speech. If you click on text to speech, and you will see edit text to speech will come up here, and you can edit also scroll down and you will see the language over there. It's a American English and voice male. Also you can select female voice over there. Also you can control your volume and convert to audio clip. So let's play the video so you will understand.
Looking for the best anti-detect browser in 2024? Look no further. With advanced features like fingerprint spoofing, user agent rotation, and IP masking, This browser ensures your online activities stay private and secure. Stay ahead of trackers and protect your digital identity with ease. Upgrade to the ultimate anti-detect browser now and browse the web with confidence.
Alright guys, so let's check some settings over there. It's a portrait section. That's when you can download shorts video, TikTok video, Instagram post, also Instagram reels, also Snapchat, Facebook video. So let's click on YouTube shorts video and just click on done, and make sure the standard quality and the bound subtitle, and click on export video. Alright, our video is rendering 100% done, and let's download this. So just click on download button and you will see some options like MP4, MP3, and if you want to download full HD, so you have to purchase their premium package. As we want to download for free, so click on MP4. Upload the video, that's mean our first video, so click on that and click on upload video and select file, and let's upload this video. Alright, so successfully video is uploaded and this is our title. So let's select all and let's copy and make sure there is no link over there and paste it here. Alright, so let's check some settings over there, like no, it's not for kids, also it's 100% yes, AI content, and scroll down and you will see best anti-detect browser. So let's select this. Alright, and add the key search term. So add the key search term, okay, and let's video elements, very important, add related videos. So click on that, add. So if you want to promote your videos, like, so I'm just going to click this video, click on next, and the most important things, copyright strike or copyright no issues found, so there is no problem over there. So click on next. If you want to publish later or if you want to publish now, so click on public, okay, and just click on save. So alright guys, so this is how you can find your YouTube shorts video ideas and you can create AI videos on that topic. So we don't know which video gonna make viral, but make sure that, I am sure if you follow these steps and if you create this kind of videos like on your analytics, so you will get views and also subscribers. So if you want to get more updates, so please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification. When I upload, you will get notification. So if you found this video is helpful, please comment below. So I will come back with another tutorial, so stay tuned. Have a good day. Tata, bye bye.